The IIIF150 Air 3 is a remarkable rugged smartphone that combines durability with cutting-edge technology. Powered by the MTK G96 processor, this device ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking. With a massive 12 GB of RAM and an impressive 512 GB of internal storage, users can store vast amounts of data, apps, and media without worrying about space. Running on Android 14, the Air 3 offers the latest features and security updates for an enhanced user experience. The 6.6-inch display provides vibrant visuals and sharp details, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and everyday browsing. The phone's standout feature is its powerful camera setup. Equipped with a 100MP rear camera, the Air 3 captures stunning, high-resolution photos with incredible detail. The 32MP front camera ensures sharp and clear selfies, while the 20MP night vision camera enhances low-light photography, enabling users to take impressive shots even in complete darkness with a range of up to 20 meters. Designed to withstand harsh conditions, the Air 3 meets IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810H military standards. It is resistant to dust, shock, and water, making it perfect for outdoor adventurers and professionals working in extreme environments. The device can endure submersion in water up to 6 meters for 24 hours and withstand drops from up to 2 meters. It also functions efficiently in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. The phone's turbofan design, complete with LED alarm lights, adds a unique and luxurious touch to its rugged exterior. This feature not only enhances aesthetics, but also serves practical purposes such as ambient lighting, a timer, and an indicator. The dynamic island feature further improves multitasking by displaying notifications, calls, and alerts in a seamless manner without interrupting ongoing activities. Battery life is another strong suit of the Air 3. The 5,500 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance, while the 30W fast charging capability allows the phone to reach 50% battery in just 24 minutes and a full charge in 75 minutes. This makes it convenient for users who need a quick power boost on the go. With advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 8.0 2.11a/b/g/n/ac, Bluetooth 5.0, and support for multiple network bands, the Air 3 guarantees a reliable connection wherever you go. Whether you're an explorer, a professional in extreme environments, or simply someone looking for a stylish and durable smartphone, the IIIF150 Air 3 delivers on all fronts, making it a top choice in the rugged phone market.